This actually looked kind of cute. This could have been something.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel.
And for those who are curious on what the heck pre-poo is, it is basically pre-conditioning or pre-moisturizing your hair before you shampoo your hair. Because we all know that shampoo can strip your hair of all its moisture and we don't like that. So you want to put some kind of moisture into your hair, and at this step you want to also detangle your hair and plait it or stretch it in some kind of form, so that way you're not tangling your hair back up again. This is gonna save you so much time on wash day, trust me. Okay, before we get into this video, let's just not judge me. Things happen and my hair suffers from it, so that's pretty much what happened. This bun has been in my hair for who knows how long, so let's take it out. Okay, let's keep trying. Okay, so this is really embarrassing, and I am gonna make a vow to not let my hair ever get like this again, because I'm trying to grow my hair to tailbone. I don't know why, I just want to try it, see if it works. So I want to grow my hair to tailbone, and this behavior is not gonna get me to tailbone length. So we gotta stop doing this, because I do this too much. This is why pre-poo is so important, because you can't just get in the shower and wash your hair like this. You just can't. You will have a whole matted, tangled disaster. First thing you want to do is assess your hair and see what's going on with it. I have plaits, I have twisties, I have a lot of stuff going on. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove these plaits and twisties and section my hair off into 4 sections, because that is going to, what is that gonna do? It's gonna make your life easier, because if you work in sections, then you're working on one small section at a time instead of trying to tackle this. This is a disaster. Let's go ahead and work in some sections, find some sections to work in. Yeah. When my hair is dry and pretty much unmanageable, I like to first go ahead and, like, you see this section, so we're just gonna separate the curls, you know, kind of get, you know, everything to do its own thing, kind of stand by its own. You see? So it's basically finger detangling, getting rid of all the major tangles first before we go ahead and try to create our 4 sections. And this just helps you to be able to create those 4 sections a lot easier if you get out some of the major tangles first. Once that's done, I didn't really do this side. You see how this side, I kind of did half of it. Let me go ahead and finish. So you see what I'm doing? I'm just kind of pulling my hair and kind of getting out the major big tangles that I can just see. This actually looked kind of cute. This could have been something. Length check. Alright, so this is what my hair looks like once we took out most of the major tangles. Now I can go ahead and create my 4 sections. Here are my 4 sections that I like to work in. And from here, I'm just gonna go one by one, and I'm gonna apply the conditioner and then the DIY hair growth oil to seal in everything. And I will come back once I get to the top so that I can show you exactly what I'm doing and you can see how well everything works with my hair. Okay, now we're at the top, so I'm gonna show you exactly what I do to pre-poo my hair. So this is what it looks like. It's super dry. First, I like to start with warm water. Then I like to go ahead and split this section in half. Now I like to go ahead and spritz some more. Now I'm going to take my conditioner. A generous amount. Starting from the ends, working our way up, we're going to go ahead and detangle our hair. And as you can see, this conditioner pretty much melts my tangles right out. Once this section is detangled, I'm going to add my DIY hair growth oil. And I really like to focus on the ends. And at the same time, I'm still removing all the shed hair that I can remove.
Once I have removed all the shed hair, I then begin my plaits. And if you notice at the roots, I do keep the plaits very loose. That way I can still shampoo my hair with the plaits in. This saves me so much time on wash day. And here's what my hair looks like once we have all the plaits in. Afterwards, I like to wrap my hair up in a shower cap, and then I take my hair towel and put that over to trap in some heat. I'll leave this on for at least an hour before I shampoo, but sometimes I do leave it in overnight. It really just depends on when I have time to wash my hair. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.